All right, Reuben make their return. Tyler, how's it going, man?
Good.
Good. All right, guys. Lincoln, sunglasses, fogging up, masks, great. Guys, we are back with Food 411. And of course, we are still on the search for Lincoln's best Reuben. So we are at Toast, guys, here in Fallbrook. If you guys have never been to Toast, you should really check it out. You know, it may be a little bit out of the norm for what you guys are used to if you're like more inside Lincoln, but their food is delicious. I've always had a great experience here, and I think, Tyler, we were talking, you have too?
Yeah.
Awesome. So I'm gonna get this out of the bag. Tyler, we have rules, buddy, with our Reuben, and I don't know if I broke you into those yet. So first rule with any of our Food 411s, guys, is 1 bite. You're familiar with that? Yep. So we have our first impression on what we're gonna do as far as scoring this Reuben at the end of this. Number 2 is no Rachel's. Do you know what Rachel is?
It's made with turkey?
Yeah, so they sub the meats and all that. So, and then third rule, they can't know we're coming, so they can't like spruce it up for us. Tyler, let's jump into this box here, see what we gotta look at. Let's see what their presentation looks like. Their box is nice and hefty. If I can open it. Ooh, and not drop the food. Presentation is solid. It looks like it has a nice thick grouping of meats and sauerkraut and sauce. Tyler, I'll have you grab your half there, buddy.
Okay.
All right, so again, Mehdi, we're gonna take 1 bite, make your decision on where you think you're gonna get your best bite. We're gonna score things like overall, like texture, the meats, the ratios from like sauce, the Thousand Island, which some people use, or a Russian dressing is also what it's been called, and the sauerkraut, and how it all comes together for us as a savoriness in our mouth.
Okay.
You ready, man?
Yep.
Gotta get rid of that mask. Let's go. We've got a contender here, man. The ratios were excellent for me. I don't know, what do you think?
My normal complaint is like there's too much dressing,
Okay.
and yeah, it's not.
Do you think it mixes well?
Yeah.
I really like it. You know, the bread isn't overly toasted, but it's not soft or
I
like.
was gonna say I like my bread a little bit crispier.
Yeah, I would say maybe a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna hurt it too much.
No.
So, it is a little bit unevenly spread. I took a bite right from the middle, but not a big deal. So, Tyler, what are you thinking on this?
Out of 10, I'd say it's a solid 8.5.
Okay. You know, I'm thinking maybe a little bit higher than that. You know, I was thinking closer to like a 9. So let's do like maybe like an 8.8.
Yeah.
8.8. It's a good Reuben, guys. Here at Toast in Fallbrook. Guys, come check them out. They've got great food. Their entire menu is awesome. The whole area out here is still developing. It'll really surprise you if you haven't been out here in a while. So, guys, check us out. Facebook, Instagram, Homegrown Lincoln. Check out Toast on their social media platforms as well, and we will catch you at our next location. Cheers, guys.